Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this exercise, and its name is offset trip lever. Well, this is the dimension for this part, and then I want to make let's a modeling part now. From this right plane, click on normal tool and then go to the sketch, select the circle. Let's make from this point origin. I want to make two circles. For the smaller one, I want to set the diameter value to 19mm. Okay, and then for the bigger one, let's make it 40mm. Zoom out, and then click to this line and make it for construction. Start from this point origin. Right click and select. Make sure this line is horizontal, and then set the diameter value, set border distance to 75. Click to this circle, start from this point, for the smaller circle, set the diameter value to 13.5mm. Okay, next, for this bigger one, set to 30mm. Click to this line, right click and select. Next, click to this line, press and hold the Ctrl button, then click to this circle, make it tangent, then apply, make the same way, press and hold the Ctrl button, then click to the circle, then tangent, apply. Let's remove the unnecessary line by click try entities, and then make sure time to close is selected, then click to this line. Let's mirror about this line and select this line to entities to mirror box, then apply. For the next step, let's click a circle and set for 64mm for the diameter, and then zoom out. Well, from the sketch, click to this line. Start from this point. Right click and click select, then go to the circle. But for that, let's change 50mm from this point to the center. Apply. And next, click to the circle. Start from this point. Let's give the smart dimension and change the diameter value to 44mm. Next, click to this line and then connect from this point. Connect to the circle. Right click and select. Next, click trim entities, and then let's remove the unnecessary line. Let's give the fillet 6 millimeter for the radius. Then apply. Next, make for 10 millimeter. Click to this point and okay. Next, I want to give the let's give the thickness by click extrude wash. For the first one, let's give 50 millimeter for the direction one, and then click to this sketch, and then active the direction 2 and set value to 30 millimeter. Then apply. Click from this toggle, sketch, extrude wash, and then set a value to 10 millimeter, and then click to sketch. Let's reverse the direction to insert this body, then apply. For the next step, let's click to the sketch to this surface and then click sketch. Next, click to the sketch and make it convert entities. Next, click a feather, then extrude wash. Set a 15 millimeter and then just click a select contour. Let's change the direction inside this body, then apply. For the next step, let's change the appearance. From this RGB, red and 351 for green, and I want to set it 85 millimeter, and then for the blue color, and it is 100. You will see this combination color like this, and apply. For the next step, I want to make for change several surface color. Click to this surface, select this color, and then select. Apply. Ctrl 7 to change the isometric view. And then the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find a similar video, you can check on my playlist channel. See you next video.